Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Spectrum landline no dial tone. So here's a step-by-step tutorial for your no incoming or outgoing calls. Fix 1. Check all cable connections. Make sure the phone cord is securely plugged into the telephone 1 port on your Spectrum modem. Check that the other end of the cord is firmly connected to your telephone. If you use a wall jack, ensure all cables are connected properly. Fix 2. Test with a different phone. Disconnect your current phone. Connect a different corded phone directly to the modem. Check for a dial tone. If the second phone works, the original phone may be faulty. Fix 3. Restart the Spectrum modem. Unplug the modem's power cable. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for all status lights to stabilize. Pick up the phone and check for a dial tone. Fix 4. Check the modem lights. Online light solid means service is connected. Voice or tell light on means phone service is active. Voice or tell light off or blinking, there may be a service or provisioning issue. Fix 5. Check for a service outage. If everything is connected correctly but there's still no dial tone, Spectrum may be experiencing an outage in your area. Check your account in the Spectrum app or contact Spectrum support to verify service status. Fix 6. Reset the telephone equipment. If you use a cordless phone, charge the headset or handset fully. Restart the base station and re-register the handset if required according to the phone's manual. Fix 7. Contact the Spectrum support. If none of the above steps restore the dial tone, you need to contact your Spectrum support. They can test your phone line remotely and schedule a technician if the modem or phone service needs repair. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.